Got him. Inch fish. What's up, guys? Welcome back to our Midwest fly fishing video. In this week's video, we're doing some Headwater creek fishing. Came down the Driftless this weekend, had the canoe on the truck all ready to float. The big rivers were looking prime, and then everything blew out. We got a bunch of rain, and it came with some snow melt with it. So now everything's blown and muddy, but you know, you just gotta adapt. Nice thing about the Driftless is there's a lot of different sizes of water, and now we're doing some way Headwater stuff. So we'll see how it goes. The nice thing is usually this stuff, the big fish are really spooky normally because it's clear and it's bright and they don't want to come out. So sometimes it'll make those bigger fish come out and play. So we'll see what we can get into, but let's get right into the action. You know? Yeah. Because I think on a... There we go. Got that footage. That's sick. Small water streamer eat. Come on, stay pinned. No net. We'll just beach them. It's not a bad fish. Like a 16, 17 incher. Chunky. Sweet. Okay. Just steer you now. Big line. Oh yeah. Oh sweet. Gorgeous fish here. Crush the streamer, drag it on the bottom. Classic muddy water pattern. 16-inch fish. Decent chunk to it too. Not bad. We'll go for release. Getting it done in muddy water. Took a couple spots, but there we go. Beautiful butter. Muddy water. Oh, that's a nice fish. That was a nice fish that rolled. Super nice fish. Yeah, sick. Got him. It's a nice one. Oh yeah, it's a nice fish. A little bigger than that last one. Probably 18 for sure. It's a hard hole to land them in, actually. No net. I got big tippet on my side though. And a 7 weight. Oh yeah. Sorry to get you muddy, boy. Gorgeous fish here. Look at this guy. Choked that jig streamer. Pounced on it once. I missed it. Gave it some time. Second cast back. Boom. Nice chunky 18-incher. Creeks are blown out. We're doing some Headwater fishing. And the big mamas that are normally spooky up here are munching. Got one 16 and now this guy. Go for a beautiful release on this fish. 1 second. In the clear water. There he goes. There we go. Little skipper, that's fun always. He's dark, chunky. Oh, gorgeous guy. There he goes. Missed him. Pop it like it's hot. Pop it streaming like it's hot. I'm just stinning them today, I guess. Oh, that guy's not gonna eat again. Oh, that's a nice. Oh, I missed that cox. There we go. Finally got him. Ah, yeah. Go that quick release. Finally stunned it. I knew there was one playing around in here. That's okay. All right, we got him. Ooh, chunky guy. I think I moved him on the way up, but I'm sorry, these fish are getting in mud today because the banks, the way they're at, everything's in mud. Oh, this guy's a gorgeous guy. My phone's dead to kick that. Gorgeous guy. Colors on him, gorgeous. Chunky 13-incher. Slithering on back. There we go. Knew there was a guy in there. Not a bad guy either. Ooh. He's putting a bend in this 7-weight. That's not a bad 14, 15-incher. Maybe a little bigger. Whew. Got ourselves a day on a jig streamer. Not a big 20-inch mondo like I was hoping to do, but crazy how dark some of these Headwaters fish are. Just gorgeously dark fish. Go for a release. Cool little run here. Bo on the nymph rig. Streamer bite's kind of tough today, guys, and we get some clearing water, so get some bows on the nymph rig. Can't complain. Not a bad little guy at all. Gotta love some stock driftless bows, especially in the spring. Oh, what he hit. Good old lightning bug for the win. Oh, this is a stalker by all sorts of any means. His fins messed up. That's a stalker if I've seen one. Release on that guy. There he goes. So when fishing on this day, having a jigged, bigger profile streamer with a short leader was definitely key. As you can see, I was just literally flipping it into these smaller pockets in a Headwater section and popping it once or twice. And those fish would instantly strike, or I was, pulling it out because of that pocket was so small. But when these sections do get a stain like this, it's a perfect opportunity to target those larger fish, as you could see in this clips. As always, shout out to River Rod Company, family-owned fly shop right here in Lanesboro, Minnesota. They have a ton of gear for your spring fly fishing needs. And if you stop in and talk to Lance or one of the people working, they'll give you a ton of great information on the area and what flies to be using that time of year, and maybe even a few spots to go try. So stop in if you're in the area, you won't be disappointed. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos. I appreciate the support. Remember to like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing a how-to streamer video next, and I'm going to have plenty of fresh trout and steelhead content for this spring. So thank you guys again, and remember to get out there this spring. It's getting to be that time of year where the driftless and trout really start going, and a lot of other fisheries start going as well. So I can't wait. I'm pumped. You guys tight lines out there as well, and stay tuned for some good content coming your way.